Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Bang Geology channel. Today this class is on Telegram quiz explanation. So let's go. First question: lepidolite mica is chromium bearing mica or fluorium bearing mica or lithium bearing mica or ferrous bearing mica? Which is the correct answer? Let's go. Chemical composition of lepidolite: potassium, lithium, aluminum, rubidium twice, aluminum silicates tetra, O oxygen 10, O10, FOH twice. So here there is no chromite, there is no ferrous or F5. So here is a lithium. You can see here lithium. So it is the most abundant lithium bearing mineral and is a secondary source of this metal. Okay, so correct answer is the lithium bearing. Based on this chemical composition, you can give the answer to lithium bearing mica. Only 50% students give the correct answer and rest of give to wrong answer. So we can clear concept here, clear doubt here. Okay, lepidolite mica is the lithium bearing mica. Next question: an astronomical unit is equal to approximately 1000 million miles, 100 million miles, 50 million miles, 150 million miles, 200 million miles. See once, the astronomical unit is a unit of length. It is a unit of length. Length using to measure the distance between the one planet to another planet. Roughly the distance from the Earth to the Sun and equal to the 150 million kilometers. So the astronomical unit is answer. So correct answer is 150 millions. Only 65% students given correct answer. Okay. Next question: which of the following planets show the same size bearing? See here: A. Earth Mars, B. Earth Venus, C. Mars Venus, D. Venus Mercury. Why only Earth Venus is the same size bearing? Let's see. Venus and Earth are roughly similar in size. I think Venus is slightly smaller. Both are so-called rock-based planets, unlike Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, which are which these are gas giants, although they may rock core, although they have a rocky core. So although they may have a rocky core. So here correct answer is Earth and Venus is the similar size. So the asteroid belt area between Mars and Jupiter extend from 2.2 to 3.6 angstrom unit, 2.2 to 4.8 angstrom units, 3.6 to 48 AU, 4.8 to 64 AU. So here correct answer is 2.2 to 3.6. How? The asteroid belt is between the planets Mars and Jupiter. It is located about 2.2 to 3.2. You can give answer approximately. The asteroid belt is between the planets Mars and Jupiter is located about 2.2 to 3.6. Okay. The asteroid belt is some notes about the asteroid belt is some notes, some more information about the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a torus shaped region in the solar system, located roughly between the orbits of the planets Jupiter and Mars, that is occupied by a great many solid irregularly shaped bodies of many sizes but much smaller than planets, called asteroids and minor planets. Okay, next, Cenozoic means Cenozoic is a era. Cenozoic is a era. Then Cenozoic means earlier life, ancient life, modern life, or recent life. You can see here. So see here, this is the Precambrian. Something hide here. This is the Precambrian. This is the Paleozoic. This is the Mesozoic, and this is the Mesozoic. This is Cenozoic. So what he asked in Cenozoic means earlier life, recent life. Why means here Precambrian is the ancient life, Paleozoic is the early life, Mesozoic is the modern life, and Cenozoic is the recent life. So here Cenozoic is the recent life. There is a tertiary, there is a Paleogene, Neogene, Tertiary, Quaternary, and Pleistocene, Holocene. Holocene, man appeared in Holocene. So this is the recent life. So next, so thank you. These are the 5 quiz explanations, Telegram quiz explanation. These 5 questions, easy questions. Can I think now clarity to these 5 questions. Thank you. Anyone want to join Telegram group for daily geology quiz? Join here. So many students daily using Telegram group for daily geology quizzes. So you can also join early. For more quiz and classes, subscribe our channel, The Big Bang Geology, for competitive exams. Thank you.